Hi, this is your Health Minute Tip. Quick safety reminders as we navigate after the hurricane. Avoid floodwater. Walking through floodwater may seem harmless at first glance, but there are serious dangers that we can't always see. Floodwater is often contaminated, and contact can cause skin irritation and infections like ringworm and, in more serious cases, leptospirosis. There may also be hidden debris under the water like broken glass, nails, or sharp metals. These can cause deep cuts and serious injuries like tetanus, otherwise called lockjaw. And remember, you can't always tell how deep the water is, which can lead to slips, falls, or even drowning. So to protect yourself and your family, avoid wading, walking, or driving through floodwaters whenever possible. Your safety comes first.